Everyone, welcome to the project description portion of this unit. So for this unit, you are going to create a website and you're going to use Wix.com to do that. And what I want the team captain to do is I want you to create a shareable username and password. Now, I know that everyone always says do not share username and password, but this is an exception because when you guys use a shareable username and password, each person on your team will be able to edit and manipulate the website. Everyone will be able to add to the website, guys. I have to stress how important it is for the team captain to create one username and password that will be shared with the group. After that username and password is created, team captains, you have everyone's email. Email that link immediately so you guys can start working individually with this website. Okay, so just to give you a quick project description, you guys will create a 3-page story and you must include 4 text features. Now, as we've seen, there are many text features. Make these text features relevant to your story, guys. For instance, the title must be on the front page and the title does not count towards your total of 3 pages for your story. And for this, it is a collaborative group project. However, there is going to be one section, as you can see in this rubric, that's going to grade you on your individual role. I want to see how everyone is going to participate individually, guys. I want to see max participation because your role in this group is going to be vital to the whole team success. So everyone, please listen. Your individual role will contribute to the team's success for this project. All right, guys. This can also be found in written form on the class website. Thanks, guys.